Just what we saw, what we went through, that was just words can't explain.
I couldn't imagine what it'd be like to have to come home and see something like that. It was rain and cold, different from here. It was like cold rain. So if you got actually wet, you would freeze.
I think it got down to in the morning about like 32 degrees. Yeah. So it's really cold in the mornings.
Our goal was to help them also work safe and then also spread the aloha spirit.
Yeah, I guess we were the Aloha ambassadors. I thought we represented Hawaii very well.
Everybody was so friendly to us, and we get the aloha spirit, so we did the same.
Everybody we met at PG&E were all great group of guys because we're all the same. We're all linemen, so once we all come together, we all have the same interests. So it was really fun meeting those guys.
Made some friends. I mean, hopefully lifelong ones.
It was a good and learning experience trip for us.
Oh, it feels good to be home.